Hey, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Today, taking the 2018 JL to go get some tint on the driver's side and passenger side windows to match the factory windows. Stick around, check it out. Wow. All right, so here I am at Roberts. They do electronics, window tint, all kinds of stuff, restyling. It's here in Louisville. Sorry about the noise. So I'm gonna give you a before shot and I'll give you the after shot. See you in a little bit. One hour later. All right, so I'm in Beckley Creek Park in Louisville to check out the Jeep and check out the tint. Let me show you guys, if you haven't been to Roberts Electronics, window tint, all that stuff, go check them out. They're really quick, good customer service, and I would recommend them. 2 thumbs up, yeehaw.